Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Language Learning Channel, Slow English with Olivia. Today, I'll take you through my daily routine from morning till night. You've probably watched many videos about daily routines before, but today you will learn how to describe your own day in simple, clear English. So, if you stay till the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your daily routine easily and confidently. All right, let's begin. Every morning, I wake up around 6 a.m. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy, but I try not to stay in bed too long. I stretch my arms, smile, and say to myself, "Good morning, Olivia. Let's have a great day." Then I make my bed. It's a small habit, but it makes me feel organized and ready to start the day. After that, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. The cool water helps me feel fresh and awake. Once I'm done, I look in the mirror and say, "Okay, I can do it." And yes, that little line gives me energy. After washing up, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Usually, I have a cup of tea and some toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I add fruit or yogurt if I have extra time. While eating breakfast, I like to listen to soft music or English podcasts. It helps me start the morning in a calm and positive mood. After breakfast, I clean the table and prepare to get ready for the day. Now it's time to get ready. I take a quick shower and choose my clothes. If it's a work day, I wear something simple and comfortable, maybe jeans and a white shirt. While getting dressed, I think about my plans for the day. I make a short to-do list in my notebook. For example, reply to emails, record a new video, go to the grocery store. It keeps me focused and organized. Then I put on a little perfume and smile at the mirror again, because confidence starts with a smile. After getting ready, I sit at my desk around 8:30 a.m. I open my laptop and begin working. Sometimes I prepare lessons or write new English scripts like this one. Other times I read messages and comments from my students. I enjoy helping people learn English. When I see their progress, I feel proud and happy. During work, I try not to use my phone too much. It's easy to get distracted, so I keep it away from my desk. Every hour, I take a small break. I stretch, drink some water, and look outside the window. It helps me stay fresh and focused. Around 1 p.m., I take a break for lunch. If I'm at home, I like to cook something simple, maybe rice, vegetables, and some salad. Sometimes I go out to a small cafe near my home. I enjoy sitting near the window, watching people walking by while I eat. It's a nice little moment of peace in the middle of the day. After lunch, I clean the dishes and rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't sleep, but I just relax on the sofa, close my eyes, and breathe deeply. After lunch, it's time to get back to work. In the afternoon, I usually record videos, edit them, or plan new lessons for my channel. Sometimes I also reply to emails from students or work on new ideas. The afternoon feels productive. The sunlight comes through the window, and I feel calm and focused. But if I ever feel tired, I make a cup of coffee or green tea to boost my energy. Around 6 p.m., I finish my work and go for a short walk. Walking is my favorite part of the day. It helps me clear my mind after working for hours. I listen to soft music or simply enjoy the evening sounds. Children playing, birds returning home, and the cool breeze touching my face. Sometimes I meet my friends at the park and we talk about our day, our plans, or just laugh about funny things. When I come back home, it's time for dinner. I like light meals at night, maybe soup, bread, or a small bowl of rice with vegetables.
During dinner, I sometimes watch English shows or YouTube videos, but I try not to spend too much time on the screen. After all, the day is almost over, and my eyes need some rest too. After dinner, I clean the table again and put things back in place. A clean kitchen makes me feel relaxed. After finishing dinner, I do something that makes me happy. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to English audiobooks or write in my journal. Writing about my day helps me feel calm and thankful. For example, I write things like, "Today I finished my work early. I felt happy after talking with my friend." I'm learning to stay positive. Small reflections make big differences. Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I wash my face, brush my teeth again, and change into comfortable pajamas. Then I prepare my room for sleep. I turn off bright lights, light a small candle or lamp, and make sure the room feels calm and peaceful. Sometimes I sit near the window, look at the stars, and thank God for another beautiful day.
Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. Before sleeping, I take one last deep breath and smile. I say to myself, today was good. Tomorrow will be better. Then I close my eyes and slowly fall asleep. And that's how my day usually goes. Simple, calm, and full of gratitude. So, friends, that was my daily routine. Now it's your turn. Try to describe your own day in English. You can start like this. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Simple words, short sentences, clear voice. That's the secret to good English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, practice a little every day because consistency is the key to confidence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.